Yeah, that's
Okay, thank you. Right. So for now, but you were saying like it will go to the inspection officer also. So who decides, right? Who will be the inspector for that particular allocation?
I think it's the JC office who decides.
Sorry,
It's the Jute Commissioner's office.
Jute Commissioner. Okay. So the same way we have did it. We are, for now we are not sending it to the uh,
You can
inspection officer, but
you can have a drop down option just like you have it in the panel for the mail to select the inspection agency. There are
okay.
three inspection agencies, so the mail can select the inspection agency when they are
Yeah. So
pointing
that
to
right. So
for an
that flow is
inspection.
also there, where right now we are sending an email to the Jute Commissioner officer.
Yeah.
That email goes to his. This is how it looks like. He clicks on this link,
Mm.
which he logs into this system, and it directly opens this record. And over here, he can select Gati inspection officer, I guess.
Gati, sorry.
Inspection agency.
Yeah, inspection. For logistics, it's Gati.
So as soon as he clicks on this inspection agency, which means he has invited that inspection agency to go for an inspection for this allocation.
Yeah.
So you will see as
And a date should be there. For which date he is calling for the inspection.
okay. So we can always do that. We have to just enable the history tracking and all those things. So we can also. So
I'm
you
not
can
talking
see.
about history tracking. Suppose today is 25th. Our mail is placing an inspection request.
Mhm.
So whenever a mail placed an inspection request, he placed 1 day or maximum 2 days prior to the date he wants the inspection to happen. So date field should be there.
We will be
Okay,
able
not
to
an issue.
define a period.
Apart from selecting the inspection agency, a date field should be there that on which date the mail wants the inspection to happen.
Okay, makes sense. We can do that. So another date we'll add it. What is the date the inspection should start at least, right? So at this moment, what happened is and another email goes to the inspection agency saying there's an allocation allocated to them. They have to go back. They have to go and inspect it.
Yes.
So I should have received another email. This is the another email which I have received. So let me log out from the Jute Mail portal first. Now, my persona is as a inspector. So I'll click on this. It's asked me for the username and password. I have somewhere username and password inspector. Copy. And all this username and password will definitely share. So inspector has their own portal. You can see they can only see home and inspection. There's no other tabs for them.
Okay.
And this is the kind of a new record for them where they know this is the allocation, this is the address, this is the Jute Mail. Other information, as you said, like start date, we can always keep it over here. And then probably stages we can add, but for now we have just kept it as passed or rejected. So as soon as they start the inspection, and either they can do it pass or they can do reject. So let's say I'll do pass. Okay. So as soon as this pass is been added, you can see the status gets added. An email goes notifying that it's been passed. So it goes to the mill saying, so it goes to the mill saying your
Inspection part.
your inspection has been passed, right? So let me go back on the mail. First, let me log out from the inspection agency portal. Now, as a mill. This is the Kolkata. Just a second. I'll go for Punjab. We can do any jute mill. Location. Okay, the status is in there. Seems like there's a issue. The bar is not coming up, which we can get it added. So eventually the jute mill officer will come up over here and again update the process as completed.
So the jute mill is marking completed. What they're marking?
So they are marking, like they're saying that the production is completed.
Production
Actually,
and inspection is completed.
So when
So
the
yes.
inspection agency is marking the inspection as completed, suppose you have allocated probably 200 for Kolkata. So actually the whole lot doesn't go for inspection in a single day.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm taking your example. If the total quantity of order is 200, so Kolkata may request for inspection of 50 bills for 4 days. So when the inspection agency is inspecting, suppose on 25th of June, they are inspecting 50. So the Kolkata jute mill must be notified that the 50 quantity is being inspected and it's complete, and 150 is still pending. So they can place for inspection request for again the balance 150 in 150 or in 50 in 3 parts or 150 at one go, as per their wish. So a notification must be given to that jute mill that part of your this PCSO, part of this PCSO 50 is being inspected and 150 is still pending. You get
okay.
my point?
Yeah. So
actually, you have taken 200 as an example. Generally, in most of the PCSOs, the orders are varying between 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, or even more. So that doesn't go for inspection in a single day or in a single inspection.
okay, that's totally fine. We can always do that. Let's say this is the inspection, this is the allocation, right? And the quantity is 200. If you click on this related, and this is again the persona of jute mill. So
And one mill also can place request for inspection for multiple agencies, like multiple SPA.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. So right now, what the flow it went
no,
was
what I'm telling that in the jute mill login portal, they must see that whatever their current PCSOs are and whatever they have inspected and whatever is pending. A summary sheet kind of thing.
makes sense.
After login.
Right. That we can always do. So the way we can always implement that the segregation of even the total quantity is you can see there's a related tab over here. So the first inspection got created with the same quantity. What we can do, or the jute mill officer, what they can do is they can come up over here and we can add on one field which says quantity, and instead of 1,000 they can put 500, and then they assign, or they, as soon as it gets created, an email goes to the commissioner officer saying inspection is being needed for this 500 quantity, and then later on they can come back and they add another 500 quantity. So unless and until the total quantity is been inspected and approved, then only the allocation status will move to inspected or completed.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So that is few additional things we can always implement. So at this moment, the quantity has been produced, it's been inspected. Now is the part where logistic partners come into picture. As a jute mill, they select which logistic partner they wanted to add into. So they have to just select, they can type and search the logistic partners, what is there in the system, and they just do save. So as soon as this happens, again, an email goes to the logistic partner. So it says allocation has been completed. They have their own portal as well. Let me log out from this one. Close all portals. Yep. What for logistic? So they see the allocation number, they see the address. Again, we can add few more details, right? And they click on pickup. Okay. So as soon as they click on pickup, what happens is, if I'll just try to see the allocation, right now you won't be able to see it from it. So I need to go back and log in into jute mill.
Harshal, can you do it on an incognito tab?
Yeah.
That way you won't have the saved logins popping up if you just click on the link.
It was 101. So the status, as it was been picked up, the status moves to dispatch. So at this time, I guess there's an email which goes out notifying it's been dispatched. Yep.
You must add a date column in every field, I think.
Okay, sure. We'll get that added.
I mean, on which date the logistic partner will pick up the inspected goods from the mill.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
We can always add that. So this was the screen where it was been dispatched, and an email goes to the SPA saying an order has been dispatched. They will be receiving it. So now again, there's another persona for SPA as well, where they can log in and check if they have received or not. But before that, just a second, I'm just sorry. Multiple personas. That's the reason I'm juggling between those logins. So this was the logistic. As soon as they deliver, they click on deliver status and mark it as delivered. So now an email goes to the SPA. It goes to the mail also, Punjab mail, and it also goes to the SPA saying delivery has been done. And there's another portal which they can log in. This is the SPA portal, which is somewhat again similar to the other portals. And they can mark it as received at this moment. They can click onto it. So when they mark it as received at that time, and an email goes to the commissioner officer as well as the mail. This is kind of an attachment which we have added this CRC as a demo attachment, which we has been like as CRC has to be sent to the commissioner officer as well as to the mail, right? At this moment. So we have just added a dummy attachment to it, which goes to the Kolkata mail, or either it goes to the Punjab mail, right? Now, at this moment, as soon as Punjab, this attachment has been done, I guess the commission, where it went, sorry. So invoice has to be raised. So a jute mill officer will come to this record from their portal, and they will click on invoice. This will send an email to the commissioner officer saying this is the CR, attached is the attaches the invoice and attaches the CRC. And there will be a link over here of the payment, and they can just click on payment and they can do it. So right now the payment gateway has not been done. Another thing what we can always do is as soon as the CRC has been received, we can use DocuSign in place, where they can sign the document, and eventually a signed CRC will be always present. And then once the signed CRC has been present, the jute mill officer mark it the status as invoiced. At that time, an email goes to the commissioner officer notifying CRC has been signed. This is the payment link which they have to pay.
Okay.
And then this is the email which probably go to the commissioner officer, where they can log in. And they can mark it as invoiced whenever they want to, whenever the payment has been done or paid. Which notifies to the jute mill itself. So for payment, we have to implement the payment gateway. That is kind of an integration which will take more of time. That's the reason we were not able to do it in this demo. But payment is just the status for now, what we have added. And as soon as the payment has been done, email goes to the jute mill saying the payment has been done, they will receive the payment to their account. So in this entire flow, just in highlight, you can always see all the activities or all the emails which are going in and out. It's always been tracked. You can see all those things happening over here.
Okay.
Just Harshal, could you just like
is all this browser based?
Sorry, Debashish sir, we could not hear you clearly.
Is all this browser based? Is all this browser based?
Yes,
Yes,
it's all browser.
Nothing to be downloaded.
Sorry,
Nothing to be downloaded,
Nothing
sir.
to
nothing to be downloaded. Nothing.
Absolutely nothing to be downloaded unless you want to give certain personas a mobile app.
Yeah. That's right. Okay. But otherwise, if it's done through a PC, nothing is to be downloaded, right?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, that's what we want. Good.
Great.
So Harshal, could you just show the email and just show how, the receipt and, the attachments and all are kind of stored in the system as well, right?
Yeah. So this is how the emails, this is a normal email body which looks into the system, which says to whom it went to, the email body of it, and how it's been related to it. All those things and the timestamp when it was been sent, all those details are always there in the system. So if anyone even wanted to come back and audit things, they can always see when the email was sent, what was the communication done at this moment.
Awesome. Thank you.
So that is one. Another thing on the portal, if I'll see, so at each portal, there's a tab named feed. So feed is basically, it gives you an update of when the statuses was being changed, or for now we have kept it as for statuses, but we can also add it another record history also over here. So who made the changes in the status and when it was been done. So everything has been tracked. On the portal also, everyone can see what communication is going in and out. On the portal, for now, I guess because of the license constraint, Anurag, we were not able to show the dashboard, but dashboard is another thing which we can show. I'll show it in the inside.
Yeah.
On the portal, there's another thing which is there, which is case. They can, if any of the persona need to communicate to the Jute commissioner, right? Apart from email, apart from mobile, they can always go ahead and create a case from here. You can just type the name, reason for the case, let's say breakdown, probably product, they can add some product they can add.
So in reality, I think the cases would more be used for something like if there is a failure in the payment, if the amount is wrong, if there is
Yes.
any issues along those lines, right? They will be able to raise this issue directly to the Jute Commissioner's office, and not over email, not over phone. In fact, they'll be able to raise a record, and this can be tracked very easily by the Jute Commissioner's office and the person raising the case through their own portals.
I think apart from the payments, we can also track it in case if there is an inspection delays or logistic issues,
Yep.
or
Right.
if the jute mill has time constraints in terms of the production timelines, and
Yeah.
if there is anything that is happening, they can raise a case.
Correct. So if allocation, if the inspector didn't show up, if there was some issue with the inspector, all those things can be raised as a case for them. So that can always be there, and it can be redirected directly to the commissioner officer. So commissioner officer sees everything. Commissioner officer commissioner officer is more kind of a system admin who see everything in and out.
Yeah.
Even there's a dashboards which we have created. So let's say I'll show all the allocations, all the jute mill dashboards, statuses, which says where the records currently stands. So for now there are like total 3 records, out of which one is in new status, one is in inspection status. So different kind of reports we can always go ahead and get it created. So this is the view for commissioner officer at any given point of time, whenever he wants to feel like how many orders are there in progress, how many orders were they dispatched, he can always see over the graph, over the report level. So he has a better idea on how the orders are going up. Is there any delay or is there any concern? I guess that's all what we have for now. Anything specific, any comments you guys have? So
No, I think this is quite nice. I think we'll just tear it apart between ourselves, and then we'll just help you add to it in whatever way we can. I think then we'll finalize it and we'll submit it as soon as possible, so that it's it starts rolling.
Sure, sure.
From a usability point of view, do you feel like this is something very close to what you were talking to us about from a need-based view?
90%.
Great to hear, sir. Yeah.
So how would we take this up, sir? I mean, what would be our next steps? Like, I know there are certain, it's not met 100%, right? So you've already suggested a couple of things on the calls that what you want to see in terms of dates or scheduled dates and things like that. Probably that we could do. And what else, sir? How would we go further for it, especially on the application usage?
We already have the video.
Sorry, we couldn't hear you clearly.
We'll take a look at
Your
the
voice is
video
breaking.
internally,
Your voice
and
is
then what we'll do is we'll take first we'll take a look at the video internally. Hear me?
A little bit, sir. Yeah.
First we'll take a look at the video.
Okay.
Then we shall take snapshots of the video.
Okay.
Then we'll add text on those snapshots.
Okay.
Then we'll send a detailed email to all of you.
Okay.
Once you implement all those changes, then we'll have a final product.
Yep.
Once we have a final prototype, then you will tell us the costing.
Okay.
Once we have the costing, then we'll submit it to the National Jute Board.
Okay.
And we'll try to make it roll as fast as possible.
Okay, sure. That would be great. Yeah, I think Anirudh or Avinash will share our email IDs as well. Anything that you would like to reach out to us on the email, you can let us know.
Yeah, Shagni, is that all okay? Do you think this is fine?
Sir, I'm sorry, your voice was breaking up, sir.
Shagni, is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
That's fine. Absolutely fine.
It's fine, sir. But I think a lot of things needs to be added there. We'll discuss those internally. Yeah.
Okay. So you don't agree with the 90% part, right?
Yeah, a little bit less.
Yes. And Rimi, is
No,
that fine?
they were asking about the look and feel and the process they have made. So on that part, that is overall okay. But something more needs to be added there.
Definitely.
Okay.
Exactly right. So
I
for-
think
for-
we need to discuss those internally and with some experts who uses the current portal. I think we need to discuss with them as well.
Right. So details,
Wonderful.
right?
Yeah,
As you
that's
said
good.
correctly, the details will always be like you have to give us the input, right? Business knows way better than what we implement. So if you can give those details, we can definitely get that added, and it will be more nearer to the prototype what you're looking for.
Rimi, do you have anything to add?
No, sir, it's not a problem, sir.
Okay.
I'm agree with Sagnik, sir, and the process give, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm agreed with you and Sagnik, sir.
Okay. So shall we wrap up now?
Yes, sir, we can wrap. We will be waiting for that screenshots from your end. And meanwhile, I will also introduce Shiva and team to you over email. And then we can take this forward.
Okay. Wonderful.
Sure.
Okay.
And I hope
Have a
you
nice
like the demo. Functionality wise, it is
Sorry?
process flow, it is fine. Catching that delicate details is something which can always be done. So we can always work out on what all details we need to capture.
Certainly. Right. Okay. Thanks very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you everyone for joining. Thanks, Harshal, for this demo.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
Thanks.
And
Thanks.
I will introduce you to the stakeholders.
Okay.
Sure.
Please. Yes.
Thank you.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all. Stay safe.
Thanks, Anirudh.